Okay, so guys, let's get back to business. On this week episode of trades, clap hand for Jesus, bro. Clap hand for Jesus. It was not freaking easy. But we made it easy. Okay, first and foremost, the days I traded were on Thursday, and I think let me see here. Thursday and Wednesday, yeah. We made it. I created. So, but let's dive back to Monday now. Let's open the clean charts now. It is Monday now. Yes, let's open the clean charts now. This is now. Okay, good. Now as you can see on Monday now. I'll be using this XY as reference. Yeah. I'll be using this XY as reference. Let's see if I missed any trade. I don't think I missed because this week I woke up very early. Always. So let's get back to it now. Monday, New York season broke. Sorry, like the Asia season. It broke Friday's low and previous low on Friday. That's let's see, yeah. The previous day low was this time, yeah. Okay, it did. Broke around when 23. Remember, like I don't trade in all those times. It's from London, so let's focus on London now. But we'll still look at New York, Asia session in London again. So, it's like what I mean by that is that when we're in like London opening, we'll see what happened in Asia session, what happened at that period. But like we're not going to be trading Asia session at all, like zero. No, we're not going to be doing that. Okay, so this is it now. This is it. So it broke me all those. I don't see breaking that lower in the previous day. So yeah, I'll just focus this one here. It broke New York low and sorry, yeah, Friday's New York lows broke it down. So this is one that's bets. London now came in and this London lows now it broke. So this one, but this one did not break. Asia section lows. It's no on Monday. Asia section lows did not break, and that's something that you should monitor. So yeah, on Monday, Asia section did not break. Made an SMT. That's not high. So let's look at this one now. Asia section breaking here. No, London did not break its session highs. It did not. The high. London did not break it. But yes, London broke it. So yeah, that was a valid trade I did not take, but it's still in SMT, but I did not take any entry on that. Okay, so back to New York now. New York took out London lows, but did not take out London highs and session highs. Same goes for here, so it wasn't any SMT that happened. So yeah, so back to London here on Tuesday now. You can see that um, this did not have much effect. They both did not take out any New York lows. Both did not take it out. Um, it was still tactic there. It was still okay. Um, yeah, his decision here did not do anything. London came in now, and did he break the high? Yeah, he broke the high of Asia session. Broke the high of Asia session here. That was valid. Then came in this news banger stuff on Tuesday. New York did not close any up. Came down. Tuesday broke London lows. But the efforts. Asia should not break any high or low. It just went there. Coming Wednesday now. Wednesday happened. I took a trade on Wednesday, didn't I? EU sell and EU sell. Yeah, that's it. Trade I took. Okay, I remember now. Um, London session took out Asia session highs. If I'm not mistaken. As you can see, yes, there are so. But let me regardless. This is Asia session high right here. This one took it out by a peep now on EU, and I entered off it with a short position. I think my was that your year. I can't remember. I think it was yeah, because I break even it and it took me out. So when it came down again, yeah, it was there. If it was there, if it was up here, I won't have been taken out by break even by this push up here. So, yeah, and I don't know what happened. I entered here again. And I entered there on this one, which I shouldn't have entered. Eyes were up here and took me out. Both of them took me out. And I think I was targeting Asia session lows. Yeah, I was targeting Asia session lows, which were giving me 2 to 4. Was down my entry was here. Coming. Okay. You should have given me more entry if I entered off these points here. So up here if I was not taking notes. And okay, should have given me a 5 hour trade. So yeah, if I move this up here, I would have been taking out my break even and I would have lost, I learned my lesson now. If a trade has stuff inside of it, I should just able take it. Because I can lose and get the break even as well, but it is has gone up like this and this year, I won't have even lost shit. I I would have made my money working back. But no, I did not. So yeah, that was the bomb of the day. And yeah. And also I think I would have entered off here. Very sure I would have entered off here. Or was there any like fair value gap? Yeah, there was a fair value gap there. An inverted one because it was made here. Yeah, inverted fair value gap. I would have entered after inverted fair value gap. I was made on 5 minutes. Totally high. Uh, why is it a block? Trying to see if this touched. It did. Let me just look at the price action here. This is 6155. This is what's 6155. Okay, it did touch. It did touch. So yeah. So like I would have used this here. An entry points. That would have been before though. I would have used that. But I would have blocked that as an entry points. But I can't I can't do that again because of too many errors. For me, that's a valid order block. Volume with the FVG, all of the above became there, and bam. So, yeah, I took these bots. I took a break even and a loss. So yeah, and I spotted it. I fucking spotted it. So as you can see on the JXY, so the Wednesday now on the JXY now. On Wednesday now, London session broke away from it, which was London opening broke the high, yeah. I don't even understand what's going on now. Yeah, he broke the high. Then and this one broke the low, yeah. The London, as you can see, 8 o'clock. This is the other time, yeah. It broke it instead of pushing up. Some broke it instead of pushing down. That was a fucking fine trade. You would have missed it, but I didn't. I woke up early, spotted it, and bam, wait for this break of structure. Bang, 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 bang. So yeah, I did that, motherfuckers. Fucking did that. I fucking did that. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Now, let's calculate how much I would have made. You know, I'm not gonna calculate that's it's to 1 RR. I'm not gonna do that because obviously I would have done that. Now 40 times for 4.9, that's 190. And this one here, if I would have taken it, upside is high here, 198. That's 298. Now, focus on this thing. My hand is getting numb because of how I'm staying. Okay, now this news came in, yeah, so this is gone. This has been collected already by this other news, so yeah. This news caused a lot of commotion, which was felt all these highs that decided that all liquidity. If I open my new chart now on on EU, it took out all those stuff. That's why on GU you can see that I have a massive amount of orders going to be cleared. Liquidity and liquidity waiting to just be cleared. Fucking cleared it on Wednesday. So this bullish run is happening now. Yeah, it happens, man. Yeah. So on Thursday came in now. This is Thursday now. That's Thursday now. I was literally waiting for a buy now, and I took this on GU, but it was EU that broke structure. And why I took this on GU was because GU had a lot of liquidity resting above it. As you can see here, it had a lot of it, and that was my target. That was my this ended the break even because of a news that was dropped on Twitter, and I don't know. The news are just getting frustrated, but at least I'm not losing money like that again. And I'm following my rules. I'm being disciplined. I'm waking up early in the star. But yeah, that's by the way. This happened and made 4.6 and entered a crossover. Like seriously, that's very disturbing because like what the fuck do you mean enter the crossover? Because it was like started around I think New York season in New York. Then crossed over. So yeah, that's was the peak of it. Then that fell hard. I think I would have closed by 4, like 1 to 4. Just cause like I want to allow this to go till weekend. But that's by the way. I think back to you. And if I heard that and it went to break it later on, I'll be crying blood. So this is its New York session. Sorry, Asia session didn't have any much move. Just than New York that broke Asia session lows, which now made this liquidity and made this out news lows. Those were draws of now it came down to this now. And I saw this the choppy price action. No, it was fucking choppy, but it's tradable. Like it actually enter the ship. As I'm saying this like this, I'm literally getting disgusted. So like did I enter this thing? Are you kidding me? I don't think it was this choppy like this, so oh fuck. Currently irritating me now. Yeah, like what's that choppy here now? Yeah, it's different. See all these long as dead as big. Why is it looking like that, man? Oh, it's so irritating. Which time was this? That was 1:30 to then. Also 1:30, bro. That's a messed up, fucked up week right there. So also yeah, to another session took out the highs of this stuff. Yeah, not sure if it took out the New York okay, yes it did. It took out the registration highs and right this one didn't take out shit, so yeah, cutting on in the break structure there and target entry here. Stops on this though, yeah. It's not for sure. And you have made your targets for that is high. That is stronger. So yeah. I like honestly don't know where I kept it there, but able to get it just so that happened and remember I saw something like almost made me to sell off, but I didn't sell off again. After my break even trade that Thursday I saw that York session had manipulation. See, it took out London high. This one didn't. And if it's again, that's it. SMT, let's go trade you. But damn, and I saw this. And guess what? I clicked limit order. I was waiting. But then I saw this. This shit had been broken. The trap. Don't fall for it. And I removed my limit order ASAP, bro. Fucking ASAP. And went down the block structure. Yep. People will be happy entering them. Then yeah, out. Stopped out, bro. So yeah. Mm. On Friday, I didn't really see anything because also it's so trade type of stuff and yeah, it's that place one now. Always one if four. So 40 times 4 plus 298. I would have passed phase one by 10. Just this week. All this week. Yeah. So yeah, getting closer to my goal as it's now. I know, and I'm pressing myself. So it's just a matter of time. Let me see how much that is for the profit split. Then putting in error. That's times once. That's 500k. Yeah, that was the money. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you very much. God bless.